helped millions of investors make profitable trades in the market. Their daily advice will help you make the right trading calls. India's top technical analysts appear only on ET Now, India's #1 stock market channel.
Quick disclaimer then, do consult your financial advisor before taking any positions in the futures and options market. Let's bring in our experts on board, Mitesh Thakkar and ck.narayan, on the markets as well as individual ideas. CK, you go first. What is it that you would, recommend to investors and traders at this point in time, given the kind of market mood that we're currently in?
Well, the market mood is such that the bullish set of sentiments of last week have been clearly destroyed by the severe gap down movement that we have seen today and the fact that there is some event ahead of us. So I think any long positions that would be created in the markets now would be of a fairly tentative nature and with very low degree of, let's say belief in it. So I think people will be quite low in their conviction of holding on to longs. But the key thing to watch here is that, the market made this low in the morning and very briefly penetrated it. That looked more like stops being run rather than any kind of sustained new selling. So there seems to be a little bit of hope here. The bank nifty has made a higher bottom as well during the day. So maybe for those who are a little more adventurous and risk-affine, I think they can take a long position upwards of about 49.20, which I would think is the nearest definer of a resistance level. So we want to see that the stock gets above some kind of resistance levels and shows a willingness to hold up. Now that said, that is for the day traders and for those who want to take a little bit of risk. But for those who want to play for the meeting in Europe and for Monday, I would suggest that a safer strategy would be to actually get a long vol strategy using long strangle. For this, I would recommend the 4600 put, which is seeing a very large addition today, and also the 5000 call. Go long this. This would be about 120, 125 rupees premium. It seems like a lot, but then one of them needs to be sold off on Monday, and you would just keep the other wherever the market goes, because it could open with a downside gap, it could open with an upside gap. So I think a long strangle would be an ideal way to play this market. There are other strategies, but they have more risk, I feel.